Right, just a silly little 2D tutorial here. Basically, I want to split this line here, so modify, split. I've set it up as S, but and then it says find the graphic to split that line there, V, and you'll see now that's two lines. Again, I'm going to split there and there. That's now split it at the point I want. In fact, I don't want to split there. Control Z to undo that. I want to split it here. Split B, split B, split B. Right, this is because I want to do a join polyline. So just check this outer profile of this bottle is what I want to turn into a polyline. So I just want to make sure I'm not going to hit any other problems. Okay, I'm not. So modify, come down to join polyline, and then it says select first entity, select second entity, third entity, fourth entity, fifth, sixth. Work your way around. Now if there's any holes in your geometry, it won't be able to create it, but it'll tell you. Can be frustrating, but all you've got to do is repair the holes. The fillet tool can help you as well repair holes. The problem is if you've got a complex structure like this and you can't find the hole. So once I've got that, you can do a right button and close. I can see I've missed one there, but I think I can still pick it up. Right button, finish. Now if it's worked, you'll select all of it and you can check by hatching. Yeah, I got it all. Control Z just to take that hatch off. So that's splitting, polylining, and some logic behind how to achieve it. Okay.